Hi, this is Edie with Rolling Harvest Food Rescue with this week's edition of What's Cooking. Today's featured produce is collard greens, and I'm going to demonstrate a recipe called Quick and Easy Collard Greens. I love this recipe because it has just a few simple ingredients. It's very nutritious and it can saute up quickly on the stovetop. First step is to wash your collards. Then lay them out on a chopboard and cut out the center thick rib. I'm going to demonstrate for you a cutting technique for greens called chiffonade. That's French for little ribbons. So after cutting out thick ribs for multiple leaves, you stack your collards up, aligned in the same direction. You roll up the collards nice and tight like a little cigar, and then you use your knife to cut the cigar into 1/8 or to 1/2 inch intervals. Then you use your knife and cut again in the opposite direction, just so the ribbons aren't quite so long. Now your collards are ready for cooking. Simply mince your garlic, pour some oil in the pan, and you're ready to roll. So once you get the oil heated in a large, heavy skillet, a medium to medium-high heat, once you see it shimmering, you add your greens and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You stir it to mix, and then the hard part, don't touch for about 30 seconds. You're going to continue to stir and then pause for 30 seconds until about 3 to 6 minutes pass and the collards are nice and dark and perhaps just turning a little brown around the edges. So when the collards are just about done, you add the garlic and the red pepper flakes and you stir and heat up for probably about another minute. Now your collards are done. Put them on a serving plate, give them a good squirt with a wedge of lemon, and you're ready to go. These are delicious. This side dish pairs with different meats, or it also pairs really well with beans and rice. So I hope you try it and enjoy. Bye now.
Thank you for joining my colleagues Edie Kwasnowski, Jill Kelly, and me, Vicki Sarnoff, for this episode of What's Cooking. Please check out our website at www.rollingharvest.org for more information about Rolling Harvest Food Rescue.